And then of General Secretary of Federation of All Goa Malayali Association. We have assisted all those who are stranded during this lockdown. So they have approached us to arrange a bus for us. So this is the third set of bus we are arranging. 6 bus consisting around 150 passengers. Earlier to this we had sent 4 more buses. That was the last 2 bus and another 2 bus before that. So those who are stranded there, we have a mind to help them out. So we decided to put bus service. So we have approached the government and as well as Kadamba Transport Corporation. They were kind enough to allot us some buses. So this is purely on payment basis because we don't have much fund to assist all these people. So we have collected some amount covering the fare charges. So last time it was up to Ernakulam, but this time we had planned up to Kottayam. Kottayam. So hope they will enjoy the traveling.
You're from?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. Okay. And when did you come to Goa?
I was working here.
You're working here?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, is it like your Kerala government has taken initiative with Goa government, or how did you come to know about this?
I contact with in Goa government only.
Okay.
But Goa government nothing did anything
Okay.
support. But I contact with Kerala Association. People they help us.
So the Kerala government has spoken and made an arrangement.
Yeah.
And how
They
you're feeling?
made, I don't know, they made arrange these Kerala Association people, they are made, they help us.
So how do you feel now since you're going home?
Happily.
You're happy?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you had a lot of troubles during the lockdown in Goa?
Yeah, we lot of
Lot of trouble about food and everything?
food we got it. Not like we have a friends, lot of friends are there, Goan friends and all. They help us.
Yes, sanitizing the passenger. Also checking the temperature, making sure the passenger is safe to go.
4 वॉल्वो आणि 2 स्लीपर बसी केरला वयता. पणजेसून आमी थोडे लोक हाडल्या. आतां थोडे लोक हांगा चडटा ते मडगांव. पणजेसून आमी संक सुटलेले पळय आतां हांगासर पावले. हांगासून आतां कितें तेंचे लोक येवपा आहा. एक 8 म्हटल्यार आमी सुट्टले हांगासून केरला वचपाक.
कितले लोक आसा
टोटल एका गाडयेन 20 सिटां डिस्टन्स सेफ डिस्टन्स दवरून पॅसेंजर बसयलेले आहा. प्रत्येक सिटार एकटो आसा.